Facebook app stopped working? Fix it with these 9 methods. Force quit Facebook. For iPhones with Face ID, swipe up on the home screen from the middle bottom. For iPhones with a home button, double press the home button. You'll see all opened apps. Locate the Facebook app window, and on it, swipe up to force quit. Restart iPhone. If force quitting Facebook doesn't help, reboot your device. A restart will give your iPhone or iPad a fresh start and eliminate any minor bugs that might have occurred during the session. Update Facebook. Open the App Store. In the search field, enter Facebook. When the app appears next to its name, tap on Update. You'll see the option to update if the update is available. Reinstall Facebook. Locate the Facebook app and tap and hold it until a menu appears. Then tap on Delete App or Remove App. Confirm the action by tapping on Delete or Remove. Now, go to the App Store. In the search field, enter Facebook. When the app appears next to its name, tap on the cloud with an arrow to re-download it. Check your internet connection. Swipe down or swipe up to access the control center. If you're using Wi-Fi, locate its icon and tap on it to disable it. If you're using mobile data, locate the icon for mobile data and tap on it to turn it off. Wait for 30 seconds and then re-enable the network connection. Check Facebook restrictions. Open the Settings app. Then tap on Screen Time. Select App Limits. If you see the Facebook app added, tap on it. At the bottom, tap on Delete Limit. Confirm the action by tapping on Delete Limit. Now, go back to Screen Time main menu. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next to Content and Privacy Restrictions, toggle the switch to disable the option. Now launch Facebook and check if it works. Delete Facebook cache. Launch the Facebook app. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Locate the Permissions section and tap on Browser. Now, next to your browsing data, tap on the Clear button. The app cache will be deleted. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Then, scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the action. Update the iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Wait while your device searches for updates. If found any, update the iPhone by tapping on Download and Install. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.